pantry day for the mobile food pantry. And okay, one of you people out there think that I'm lying when I say this is what I get from the food pantry. Because they don't give away name brand stuff. Our mobile food pantry, this is what they give away. So yes, they do give away name brand stuff. And their vegetables and fruits and stuff like that are usually great. The carrots were not so much today. The carrots were kind of slimy, so neither me nor Mom got any carrots. But everything else, they do an amazing job doing this mobile food pantry. And the volunteers, they are so much fun and so amazing and wonderful people. But unfortunately, okay, we went to go do a donation because we do usually do like a $3 donation thing. They can't accept donations anymore. How weird is that? Never heard of such a thing. Because food pantries, as far as I knew, had donation boxes out there. And they can take our little tiny $3 donation and turn it into so much more food than we can. So that's why we figured the $3 donation was great. They can't accept it anymore. I'm so upset for them. They should be allowed to take donations.
Look at her eyes. They're so pretty today.
Oh, thank you, Boo.
They're very green and like very light green.
It's because I got this green shirt on. This is my yard sale shirt. I love it. It's making me feel pretty.
Your eyes kind of look like sea glass.
I feel pretty today.
You look very pretty.
Thank you. I'm in a good mood.
You see her eyes? Look at those pretty eyes. They look like sea glass. If you don't know what sea glass is, it's like a very light green little crystal. Very pretty.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm very excited.
We got onions and cucumbers. The cucumbers looked great and they're all firm. Whoop, whoop. And that's what I'm having to go with my supper tonight is cucumbers and I think vinegar. Cucumbers and vinegar sounds good tonight.
Ugh.
I know, such an old-fashioned thing, but really, just take cucumbers, slice them up, put them in some vinegar with a little bit of salt and pepper on them. Yum!
I hate vinegar.
Potatoes! We got some good potatoes. I hope that they're wet because of condensation type of thing. They look like that to me, but I hope there's not a big slimy one in the middle. We'll find out. I don't think there is. I think they're wet because of condensation. We were in the van a long time, and the air conditioning in the van is really bad. And we got some broccoli. I love broccoli. Maybe I'll have some broccoli and... Oh, I've just got so much stuff to put together. Maybe we'll do stir fry. We got cabbage and broccoli. And I got other vegetables around here. Maybe I'll do a stir fry for supper. I think a stir fry sounds good. Emma can just have a whatever night. Actually, there's leftovers in there from last night. She liked those. Maybe she can have those instead. Yeah. Because she don't like stir fries because of all the vegetables in them.
And because I just don't like the taste of whatever goes on them.
I like a stir fry.
I don't know why, I'm just not very into it.
And look at these. I've never seen these before.
Tropical pineapple muffins.
Yeah, Little Bites tropical one. And there was no limits today. So we got to take what we want. Now, I didn't take overly... really, because I don't need it. I'm chunky.
Me too.
But it's great to have a snack, and you can throw these Little Bites pouches in the freezer, and they freeze up just fine, and they'll thaw just fine, and that's what we're gonna do.
And we go on like little road trips and stuff, so they're good snacks for those.
And
like going to the ocean,
whatever else. Yes. And then we got Entenmann's mini snack cakes, iced chocolate chip cakes. Never seen those. Of course, all this stuff does say new. So maybe they didn't sell very well in the stores and that's why they're doing it. And we got a garlic bread ring.
It looks pretty good.
That looks pretty good. Garlic pull-apart bread. That looks yummy. We'll have that tonight to go with supper too. Because the breads you do usually, like these ones, have to be used up quite quickly.
Mm-hmm.
Did I say we got coleslaw? Yes, we got coleslaw cabbage mix. And we got bananas. Emma loves bananas.
I've been craving bananas.
I cannot do bananas. I can't do bananas.
I've been craving bananas.
I don't mind the flavor of bananas, the texture. Oh.
That reminds me, I've been seeing these Bubs things, and I don't know what those are. They're like a Swedish candy, and I want to try them.
I don't know. We'll have to
I'll
look
have
it
to
up.
show you them. I've been seeing them on TikTok.
The bananas, even when I put them in a smoothie, No, I don't like what they do to the smoothie. I don't. No.
I love
No.
bananas. I'm excited for
And
these.
look at these.
They look delicious.
Strawberry.
Cheesecake muffins?
I don't know. It just says filled, I think. Oh, no, I can't read it.
I don't know, but
Maybe
I'm
strawberry
excited.
icing filled?
They look good.
I don't know, but they look darn good. Me and Emma. I haven't eaten anything today. She's eaten pasta, but I haven't eaten anything today. And it's about snack time.
I didn't really eat my whole bowl of
So
pasta.
this will be so good. Yum.
Yeah.
And then we got muffin tops. Those are great to throw in little lunches and stuff like that.
I like muffin tops.
And I love orange creamsicle flavored things.
She does. She's a little bit obsessed.
I was so happy there was a box of these. I've never had these. New Entenmann's Pop'ems donut holes, orange cream glazed. Oh. And look, see, they have the little popsicle on there. Yeah. When I was little, I used to take and eat all the orange stuff out the outside of the popsicle and then save the creamy middle for last. That was my favorite way to eat the popsicle.
I really don't like orange cream. I don't like a lot of, like, fruit and cream things, like strawberries and cream. Not very into strawberries and cream.
She's so weird, but she can't wait to try these.
Those look good.
Conchas. I've never had them before.
I hope they're good. I'm going to be so
I don't know if
disappointed
they're good.
if they're not.
But the lady was forcing them on people because they don't like to load back up anything into their trucks. Because it's just all going to go bad or get thrown away. Or if they're lucky, people come down and take it when they do a 6 o'clock thing. If they have multitudes of stuff left over, they do a 6 o'clock thing in another town, which that town's almost an hour away, so we usually don't do it. But conchas, I never had conchas.
Me neither.
And I know these are commercially made. I think they're some kind of Mexican or Spanish type of pastry thing. I'm not totally sure. Don't quote me on that. Entenmann's soft baked cookies.
I want to try these
This
because
is a cookie family.
I have yet to try a store-bought soft baked cookie that I like because they all taste funky to me.
Chocolate chip is good. Chips Ahoy, I mean.
No, I don't like them.
And then look, I got those for Emma because they were vanilla.
What did you like?
Frosted.
I love mini cupcakes. Me and Greg used to steal 2 of them at a time, and he always used to eat 2 green, and I'd get 2 pinks because we always used to have pink and green ones, and we were only allowed 2 mini cupcakes at once, which is all we really needed. That's all we eat now, but that's
They
what
had
we
to
munched.
last.
We munched 2
Okay.
mini cupcakes at a
So,
time.
these are supposed to be gold cupcakes, white and chocolate icing. Now, I don't see no chocolate.
Me neither, unless the chocolate is the red.
But, you know what? We're happy with that because Emma doesn't
Yeah.
do a lot of chocolate.
Don't really like chocolate.
And then they didn't have lemons on bread either, really. So, I got 2 country-style Arnold Whites. And Mom said this is really good.
Oh, that looks good.
The rustic oven Italiano bread, soul baked artesian bread. Sounds pretty darn good. And then a cinnamon swirl bread. And then for those of us that like the raisins, cinnamon raisin swirl bread.
I don't like cinnamon, and I don't like cinnamon raisin.
I love them both. But Greg will eat those with me.
Yeah.
Because Greg likes cinnamon.
Can you tell I'm a tad picky about some
Yeah,
stuff?
she is. She is, but she will eat some cinnamon stuff. So
Yeah.
I'm okay there.
I like toast with a little bit of butter and cinnamon and sugar on it.
But yeah, that's my food pantry haul, and I'm pretty happy with the food pantry haul. Like I said, vegetables were getting a little iffy today, so I was pretty picky on those. But really good stuff there, really. So that's what we got. And we have the regular food pantry tomorrow.
Whoop, whoop.
And I've got yard sale stuff to take care of and take a video of that. So yeah, check it out. I'm going to put that on too. And I hope you all have a super wonderful, fantastic weekend. I hope you all watch my videos because my views dropped by 10,000 views this month. Whew. That's a lot of views to drop. I know, my videos are not that exciting, and I'm not one of those outlandishly weird, like, loud and chaotic people. I'm just not. That's not me. But I like to do informative type of things.
And you like to do some fun things.
I do lots of fun things. I'm just
Yeah.
not like, I'm not going to wear the outrageous weird makeup, and I'm not going to,
No, you got me for that.
and I'm not probably going to be like a mean person, because the aggressive things are really hitting it off. Alright, watch my videos. They're aggressive. No, really, don't if you don't want to, but watch them if you like them. But, yeah, I'm not going to do the aggressive tutorials and yell at you and say mean things to you. I'm just not going to do it. I'm not a dominatrix type of person. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. See, there was a funny little line. But anyway, yeah. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you on the next video.